Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a Clean My Kitchen with me of a single mom of three, working single mom of three. This is just me trying to tidy up after night shift three, not three, sorry, after 6 night shifts straight. So I'm trying to tidy up the kitchen. That's where I start, because usually in the middle of the shift I'm so tired and I'm not able to do everything. So I concentrate on feeding the kids, bathing them, and doing their homeworks, um, and getting them to school well fed and clean. So that's what I concentrate on when I'm in the middle of my nights, and getting enough rest so that I can be able to pull through. Because if I'm not able to do that, then it means I won't be able to afford bills. So no judging. I know it's messy. I should have done better. One would wonder why not put them in the dishwasher, but sometimes I don't feel like doing it. I'm also working on my mental health, so I concentrate on that. It depends if I'm feeling to do it or if I'm not feeling to do it. Yeah, this is just me cleaning the stove and then I'm wiping up the small appliances and then clean the floors. It's not a big kitchen, it's a small kitchen in a basement unit, so it's quite manageable. It's only that when you do all things by yourself, it gets difficult sometimes, and rest is good. Thank you guys, I hope you enjoy it, and I'm still learning my editing skills. I hope it will get better with time. Thank you. Continue watching.